What is verb tense? Today for Connect, we're going to look at verb tense for our grammar lesson. A verb not only tells what action is taking place, it also tells when the action takes place. A verb's tense tells us whether the action is taking place now, present tense, like Goldie jumps, notice the S on the end, has already taken place, past tense, such as Goldie jumped, notice the ED, that's very common for us to put that on a verb for past tense, or will take place in the future, that's future tense. Goldie will jump. Now that arrow says, note sometimes we need two words, will and jump, for the verb to help it make sense. So Goldie jump doesn't make sense. We need Goldie will jump. And we call that a helping verb, the will. I'd like you to complete the sentences to describe the images. What tense are the verbs you've chosen? So the kitten, what would we put there? Sleeps, will break, break, will trip, tripped, munches or munched. Have a look. The man, will trip, tripped. Have a think what he's doing right there. The eggs, will break or break. They don't look like they're breaking right now. And Ellie, would we put munches her sandwich or munched her sandwich? Looks like it's happened. So present tense for kitten, we'd put sleeps. It's doing it right now. So I write sleeps. The man, past tense, we should have tripped. Will trip. Looks like it's already happened, doesn't it? His face. The eggs, future. Haven't done it yet. They're whole, so we would use will break. Notice our helping verb there. You need the two words together, the two verbs. And Ellie, in the past, you can see the sandwich is already eaten, so it should be munched with an ED on the end. Munched. How did you go? Okay, let's recap. A verb shows action or being. So it could be I am happy. Am is a verb. It's a being verb. A verb also tells when the action takes place. Its tense shows whether the action is happening now, present tense, has happened, the past tense, or will happen in the future tense. Okay, I'd like you to read these sentences and say what verb tense they are written in. Work out if you would write past, present, or future after each sentence. So the first one, the koala is eating a chocolate ice cream. Now, is that past, happening yesterday? Is it present, happening now? Or will it happen in the future? The koala is eating a chocolate ice cream. Say out loud what you think it might be. The echidna eats my hair. Notice is eating. Now look, eats. Is this in the past? Is it in the present right now? Or is it in the future? It's a little bit tricky. The next one, number 3, the possum ate Mr. Northwood's shoe. Look at the verb now, ate. Is that in the past, in the present, or the future? And the last one, the kangaroo will eat our books. And notice will is a helping or auxiliary verb to go with eat, will eat. Look at our verb changing there. Is that past, present, or future? What would we write? Now let's see how you went. So in this one, is eating. That is present. The next one, eats. that is present again. Now, that's happening now. This one we call present continuous, is still continuing to eat, is eating. This one eats, it's doing it. So they're both present, even though it's different form. The possum ate. Now that is the past tense, so it's already happened. Notice eat changes to ate. And the last one, will eat. Okay, it hasn't happened yet, so that will be future. How did you go, Year 4? I hope you understood those. Now you're going to click on the next video to talk through the worksheet from your grammar booklet in your take-home pack. Goodbye.